Hi guys, and welcome to Pankaj's Echelon tutorials. And in this today's video, I think this is video number 5 on matrices and transformation, the chapter which we are into. And this is from, as you know, David and Rainer book, the 4th edition. Okay, so far we have covered in our last 4 videos. Okay, 3 or 4 videos, whatever it is, we have covered some 25 questions from the exercise 1. Okay, so in continuation to that, we'll be starting with exercise 26 now. Question number 26 now. Okay, so question number 26 is uh, d plus h times g. Okay, this is the question. Now you have to find the result of this. Okay, or the resultant matrix of this. Okay, so it is d plus h multiplied by g. So we'll have to write the matrix as d is now this I'll put it in a big rectangle, d plus h. Okay, so d is 1 5 1 and 4 minus 6 and 1. Okay, this is d plus h. Now h is a 0, a 1 and a minus 2, and then it is 3 and then minus 4 and a 5. Okay, so this is d plus h. This you will have to multiply by a g, and your g is it's a column matrix 4 1 and then 3. Okay, so to evaluate this, we'll have to first reduce this, the bigger bracket. This is pure addition, so this will work out to, and this is okay, now this is a pure addition, but I think addition is not possible because this is a 2 by 3 matrix. No, both are 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so both are being 2 by 3 matrix, the addition is possible. So all you have to do is you have to add the corresponding elements. So 1 plus 0 will be 1, then 5 plus 1 will be 6, and then 1 minus 2 will be minus 1. Okay, then coming to this, 4 plus 3 will be 7, minus 6 minus 4 will be minus 10, and 1 plus 5 will be 6. Okay, and then this you have to multiply by 4 1 and 3. Okay, now this is a 2 by 3 matrix and this is a 3 by 1 matrix. Okay, now because these two are same, therefore we can say that the product is possible, and the product matrix will be of the order this 2 by this 1. Okay, so 2 rows and 1 column, so it will be just 2 places to be filled up, right? So 2 rows and 1 column. Now how to find out this value? This will be A11, this will be A21. Okay, so A11 will be the first row of the first matrix you'll have to take. Okay, and you'll have to multiply with the first column of the second matrix. So it will be 4 ones are 4 plus 6 ones are 6 plus minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Okay, that should work out to 10 minus 3, which is equal to a 7. So I'll write here a 7. So I'll write here 7. Okay, now coming to this A21. A21 means second row from the first matrix and the first column, that is the same column from the second matrix. So 7 into 4, 28, plus minus 10 into 1, it's a minus 10, and then 6 into 3, it's 18. So you have to add all this. So it will be 28 minus 10, which is 18. Okay, plus a 18. 18 plus 18 is 36. So this will be 36. Now this is the final answer for d plus h times g. Now let me check the answer behind and see whether it is correct or not. So answer for 26th is 7 and a 36, which is absolutely correct. So that was question number 26. Let us move on to question number 27. Okay. Now question number 27 is you'll have to find out JF. Okay, it's a J multiplied by a F. Both are matrix. Now what is your J and what is your F? Let us see that. So J is a column matrix 3 1, and F is a row matrix 4 5. Okay. Now this product you have to find out. Now first let us check the compatibility. So this is a 2 by 1 matrix and this is a 1 by 2 matrix. Okay. Now because this inner values, that is the number of columns of the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix, both happens to be same, that is 1 and 1. Therefore the product is possible. The two matrices are compatible for multiplication. And the product का जो order है, okay, the order of the product will be this two rows and this two columns. Okay, 2 rows and 2 columns, right? So you'll have to fill up 2 rows and 2 columns, so 4 places. So directly I'll do this. So for this, you know what I'll do for the first position, it will be first row multiplied by the first column. Okay, so first row is 3. Okay, so 3 multiplied by first column is 4. So 3 4s are 12. So I'll write a 12 over here. For this position, I'll write first row. This is A12. So first row and second column. So it will be 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Then coming to this is second row, first column. So second row may you have a 1, and here in first column you have a 4. So 1 into 4 is 4. Then here you will get second row and second column. So second row may you have a 1. Here in second column you have a 5. Multiply the 2, you'll get 5. So this has to be your answer. Okay. Let us check the answer for 27th now. And the answer for 27th is 12 15 in the first row and 4 5 in the second row, which is absolutely correct. Okay. Now let us move on to question number 28. Question number 28 is FJ. Okay, it is FJ. Now this was JF, this is FJ. So first I'll take F, that is my 4 and 5. It's a row matrix. And then I'll take J, which is a column matrix, so 3 1. Okay. Now let us check whether the compatibility is allowing you to do the multiplication or not. Now this is the order 1 by 2 and this order is 2 by 1. Fine. So you can see that the inner values is both same, 2 and 2. Okay, of the orders, the inner values are same. Therefore the matrix product is possible, and the product will be of the order this 1 by 1. It will be 1 by 1. Now 1 by 1 means 1 row and 1 column. So you will have just one blank to be filled up. Okay, 1 row, 1 column. Okay, so this is 1 row and the same number is in that first column as well. Okay, so just one blank. Now how to get this? So it will be this is A11, right? So first row you will have to take and the first column together. So 4 into 3, 12, plus 5 into 1, 5. 12 plus 5 is how much? 12 plus 5 is 17. So your answer has to be 17. Okay, just a single element in this matrix, and the answer, and that element is 17. So the answer for this 28 behind is given as 17. Okay, it's just a single element. It's a 1 by 1 matrix. Okay, so fine, it's correct. And let us move on to 29. Now 29, question number 29 is a minus a C times a D. A minus C times D. So let us put the values of A, C and D. So A is 2, minus 1, 3 and then 4. Okay. And C, A minus a C. C is 4, 3, 1 and minus 2. This is A minus C, and this whole thing you have to multiply by a D, and your D happens to be 1, 5, 1, 4, minus 6 and a 1. Okay, fine. So first we are going to work out this, because this is a bigger bracket. Now this is subtraction and the order of the two matrices are same, so you can easily subtract. So the answer will be, this is 2 minus a 4 is minus 2, minus 1 minus 3 is a minus 4, 3 minus a 4 is a minus 1, 4 minus minus 2 is 4 plus 2, that is a 6. So this has been reduced to this, and this you will have to multiply now by 1, 5, 1, 4 minus 6 and a 1. Okay. Now this is of a order 2 by 2, this is of order 2 by 3, and these two inner values are same, so multiplication is possible, and the order of this multiplication will be this 2 times this 3. So 2 by 3, so 2 rows and 3 columns, so it will be 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, fine. So one by one, let us try to put the values. Now this is A11. Okay, this will be A11, this will be A12, this will be A13, this will be A21, this will be A22, and this will be A23. Okay, chalo, quickly I'll do one by one. A11. A11 means first row and first column. First row, first column. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, plus minus 4 into 4 is a minus 16. This works out to minus 2 minus a 16, which is minus 18. So I am getting the answer for the first value as minus 18. Okay. Now let us do A12. A12 means first row and the second column. Okay. First row and the second column. So minus 5 into 2 will be minus 10, plus this minus 4 into minus 6 will be 24. So it is minus 10 plus 24, that is plus 14. So I'll get a plus 14 here. I did not write this plus sign, just 14 I can write. Okay. So this is 14. Now A13. A13 is the first row and the third column. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, plus minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. This works out to minus 2 minus 4, which is a minus 6. Fine. Now A21. A21 is second row and the first column. So minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1, plus 6 into 4 is a 24. So this will be 23. Right. Then A22 is a second row and the second column. Okay. So minus 1 into 5 will be minus 5, plus 6 into minus 6 will be minus 36. This will be minus 36 minus 5 will be minus 36 plus 5 is how much? 41. So this will be minus 41. And the last is A23. That is second row and the third column. Minus 1 into 1 will be minus 1, plus 6 into 1 will be 6. And this is nothing but 5. So you get a 5 here. So this is my final answer. Okay. Let us check the answer for 29. And the answer for 29 in the book behind is, I'll read out, minus 18, 14 and minus 6. Minus 18, 14 and minus 6, first row. And second row is 26, minus 26 and then a 8. So there is some mistake that has taken place in the third row. I mean in the second row. Okay. Chalo, let me check it. This you will have to check. Okay, this one. This is not correct. Now this is what position? This is A21. Okay, A21. This is something which has gone wrong. Let us check this. A21 means what? You'll have to go for the second row and the first column. Okay, second row and the first column. Right. So it will be minus 1 into 1 will be minus 1. Okay, plus 6 into 4 will be 24. Minus 1 plus 24 is 23. This is correct. Okay. Now let us go for the A22. A22 will be second row and the second column. That is this and this. Okay. So that will be 1 into 5. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. and 6 into minus 6 is minus 36. Yeah, so minus 5 minus 36 is minus 41. This is also correct. Okay, and A23 will be this one. Okay, so second row and the third column. So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 6 into 1 is 6. That's correct, 5. So I think the answer behind in the book is incorrect. In the book behind, the answer given is, let me write down the answer for you. In the book answer is given as minus 18, 14 and a minus 6. The first row is correct, but the second row in the book it is given as 26, minus 26 and a 8. Okay, so this is the book answer, which I don't think is correct, and this is the answer that I have come to uh, the conclusion, and I think it's correct because I have double checked it. Okay, so anyway, book answer is this one, and this is my answer. Okay, so if you trust me, this is the right answer. Let us move on to the 30th one. Question number 30. Question number 30 is what? Let us check. It is a square. Okay, good one. A square. A square means you have to multiply matrix A again by matrix A. So what I have to do is I have to take the matrix A two times. Okay, so my matrix A is 2 and a minus 1, 3 and a 4. Okay, now this I have to multiply again by itself. So 2 and a minus 1 and 3 and a 4. Okay, now this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is 2 by 2 matrix, and because these two are same, so product is possible, and the product will also be of 2 by 2 order. So you know this. So I'll directly write the answer for this position. It will be 2 to the 4, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is minus 4 minus 3 is 1, right? Plus 1. 2 to the 4 minus 3. So for plus 1. Then for this position, it will be first row and second column. So minus 2 minus 4. So minus 6. Now in this position, it will be 3 to the 6 plus 12. 6 plus 12 is 18. And here for this, I'll get 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 16. So plus 13. So this should be my answer. So let me check the answer. And for 30th one, the answer behind the book given is 1 minus 6 and 18 and 13. Yeah, perfect. So this is matching with the answer given in the book behind. So that was question number 30, and let us do one thing. Today only we will complete 36. Okay, 31. 31 is a raised to 4. Okay, now a raised to 4 can be written as a square times a square. Okay, now a square already we have got here the answer. Okay, so it is 1 minus 6, 18 and 13. So a square times a square means this a square, again I'll repeat, 1 minus 6, 18 and 13, right? Now this I'm going to work out. Okay, so this is 2 by 2, this is 2 by 2, so it is possible, right? So the sorry, the answer will be, now I'll do directly first row first column. So 1 ones are 1 plus 18 into 6. So 1 plus 18 into 6 is how much? 18 times 6, 6 is 48, 4, 6 ones are 6 plus 4, 10, 108. So it is minus 108. Okay, so 1 minus 108 will be minus 107. So that is the answer for this place. Now for this, it will be first row, second column. So first row is minus 1, 1 into minus 6 is minus 6, and this is minus 6 into 13. So it will be minus, now 13 into 6 is 6 is 18, 1 carried, 6 1 is 6, 78. Okay, so minus 6 minus a 78 should work out to minus 78, 79, 84, minus 84. ठीक है. Next is second row and the first column. Okay, so 18 into 1 will be 18 plus 13 into 18. Now 13 into 18 is how much? Let us do that. 8 3s are 24, 2 carried, 3 1s are 3, 4 5, 8 1s are 8, 1 4 8 9 10 11 12 13, 3 1 carried, 234, 234, and 234 we'll have to add 18 to it. So we should get 8 plus 4 12, 1 carried, 3 4 5, 252. So here I'll get a 252. Okay. Now this place I want to fill up. So this will be second row, second column. So this is second row and this is second column. 18 into minus 6. So 18 into minus 6 will be how much? 6 8s are 48, 8, 4 carried, 6 1s are 6 plus 4 is 10. So it will be minus 108. And second row and second column, right? So 13 into 13 is 169. So minus 108 plus 169 should be how much? It will be plus 9 minus 8 is 1, 6 minus 0 is 6. That's it. Okay. So this has to be the answer. Okay. For this a raised to 4. Let me check the answer behind. For 31, the answer is minus 107 minus 84 in the first row, which is correct. And in the second row, it is 252 and a 61. So absolutely correct. So this is done with. Okay. I'll just erase all this working of mine because I don't think it's needed to you. And that was question number 31 complete. So let us move on to 32 now. Okay. Now question number 32 says that you'll have to find the value of e square. 32 is e square. Now what is your matrix E? Let me check out. Your matrix E is 1 0 and then minus 1 and then 1 and then 2 and 5. This is E square, so I'll have to repeat another E matrix 1 0 minus 1 1 2 and 5. Okay. Now E square. So let us see whether multiplication is possible. This is 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay. This is 3 rows and 2 columns. Right. This is 3 rows 2 column. This is also 3 rows 2 column. Now can you see this 2 are not matching? Okay, this is 2, this is 3, both are not equal. So multiplication is not possible. So here the answer for this e square is not possible. Okay, straight away you can write not possible. So I suggest one thing: multiplication, you don't be in a hurry to jump to any conclusion and try finding the answer. First you have to check the compatibility. Okay, if multiplication is possible, then only you go for it. Okay, if it is not possible, there's no point in trying and going for the multiplication product. Okay, so 32 ka answer is not possible, and behind in the book also they have given a just a dash is given as an answer, so it's understood that answer is not possible. Now coming to 33, 33 is it's a k times h. K you have to multiply it by h. So first k, I will write down k as this one. It's a 1 minus 3 0 1 and a minus 7 0. This is k, and h is 0 1 and minus 2 in the first row, and then 3 minus 4 and a 5 in the second row. Okay, now this is 3 by 2 matrix, this is 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, now these two are same, so compatible for multiplication, and the product will be 3 by 3. Okay, so 3 by 3 means 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, 3 rows and 3 columns. Now this is a huge one, so we will go slowly. A11, A12, A13, these are the positions. A21, A22, A23. Okay, these are the positions. Okay, A31, A32 and A33. Now one by one I am going to work out the values of these elements. A11 will be first row and the first column. So this is first row, first column. 1 into 0 is 0. 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Okay. So here it will be a minus 9. So I'll write here as minus 9. I got this. A12. 1 2 means first row and the second column. Okay. So 1 into 1 is 1 and this will be 12. Okay, so 1 plus 12 is 13. So this will be 13. Now A13 will be what? It will be first row and the third column, this and this. Okay, so 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. Minus 15 minus 2 is minus 17. Done. A21. Okay, that is this position. So second row and first column. So you'll have to take this and the first column. 0 into 0, 0 plus 3 ones are 3. So it will be 3. Okay. Then A to 2. Second row, that is this, and second column, that is this. 0 into 1, 0, and minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. So this will be just minus 4. Done. Now A23 will be what? Second row and the third column. Okay, so 0 into minus 2 is 0 and 1 into 5 will be 5. So it will be 5 over here. Now last row. So last row will be this into this. This is A31. Third row and the first column. Minus 7 into 0 will be 0. 3 into 0 will be 0. So this will be 0. There will be 0 over here. A32 will be third row and the second column. Minus 7 into 1 is minus 7 and this is 0. So this will be minus 7. I'll write minus 7 over here. And A33 will be minus 7 into minus 2 will be 14. And this 5 into 0 will be 0. So it is just a 14. 14 plus 0 is 14. Now this is my ultimate 3 by 3 matrix as the answer for KH. Let us check the answer. 33. The answer I will read out from the book is minus 9, 13 and minus 17. Minus 9, 13 and minus 17. So the first row is correct. Second row, the answer given is 3 minus 4 and a 5. 3 minus 4 and a 5. It's correct. Third row it is 0 minus 7, 14. 0 minus 7, 14. Perfect. So this answer of ours is perfectly okay. So 33 is done. Let us come to 34. 34. Okay. 34th is you have to find out CA times a J. CA times a J. Okay. So what is your C? So I'll put this in a huge bracket. C will be 4, 3 and then 1 and minus 2. This is C. And then A is 2 minus 1 and then 3 and 4. And this whole thing you'll have to multiply by a J. And J is your column matrix 3, 1. Done. Okay, so first we'll as usual work out this. So this will be, this is 2 by 2, this is 2 by 2. So directly I'll do 4 2s are 8 plus 3 3s are 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. Then this position, okay. So 4 into minus 1, okay. This is 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17, okay. Then minus 4 plus 12. Minus 4 plus 12 will be 8. Okay. Then this position will be second row and first column. So 2 plus minus 6. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. And this position will be this and this. So minus 1 and a minus 8. So minus 9. Now this I have to multiply by 3 1. So first check the compatibility. This is 2 by 2. This is 2 by 1. So since these two are same, so the product will be of the order 2 by 1. So 2 rows and 1 column. So this is 2 rows and a single column. So let us work out this. So this will be 17 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 2 carry 3 1s are 3 4 5. 17 into 3 is 51 plus 8 into 1 is 8. So it is 59. Now here I'll get minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12, and minus 9 into 1 will be minus 9. Minus 12 minus 9 is minus 21. Okay, minus 21. So this is your answer. So your resultant matrix will be 59 and a 21 minus 21. It's a column matrix. Let me check it. And the answer for 34 is 59 and a minus 21. Perfectly okay. This is correct. So two more questions to go. So let us complete that as well. Uh, 35. Okay. Coming to the 35th question. Now 35th question is ED. Okay. Is ED. Matrix E multiplied by matrix D. The order is important. E matrix will be uh, 1 and a 0, minus 1 and a 1, and 2 and a 5. Okay. And your D matrix is a 1, 5, 1, and a 4, minus 6, 1. Okay. Now let us check the compatibility first. This is how many rows? 3 rows and 2 columns, so 3 by 2, and this is 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so these inner values are same, so the product is possible, and the product will be a 3 by 3 matrix. So 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, again you have to fill up this 9 place. So A11 will be what? It will be first row and first column. So 1 into 1 is 1, plus 4 into 0 is 0. So this will be 1. Then second place, this is 1. A12 will be what? First row and then second column. So first row will be 5 into 1 is 5, and this will be 0. So it will be just a 5. Okay. Then A13 will be first row and the third column. Okay. So 1 into 1 is 1, plus 0 into 1 is 0. So 1. This is the first row of the resultant matrix. Okay, this is 1. Now A21 will be what? Second row, first column. So I'll have to go with this and this. 1 minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, and 4 into 1 is 4. Minus 1 plus 4 is 3. So this will be 3. Then A22 will be what? Second row and second column. So 1 into 5 is 5, and minus 6 into 1 is minus 6. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. This will be minus 1. Then A23. 2, 3 means second row and the third column. So 1 into 1 is 1, plus 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. This will be 2. Now coming to A31. Third row, first column. 2 ones are 2, plus 5 fours are 20. So 22. This will be 22. Then A32. Third row, second column. 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 30. 10 minus 30 is nothing but minus 20. Minus 20. And A33 should be third row and the third column. 2 ones are 2, plus 5 ones are 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. So this will be 7. Now this has to be our final answer. So let us check the answer behind. And behind, the answer given is for 35th. The first row is 151. That's absolutely correct. Second row is 3 minus 11 0. Oh, 3 minus 11 0. We got a minus 1 over here. So this we'll have to check. This two. Okay. And the third row is 22 minus 20 and 7. That's correct. So we'll have to do only a checking of this second row. Second row means this 3 positions. Okay. Now first position, this is correct. So we'll go for this one. Now what is this position? It is second row, second column. Okay. So A22 we'll have to check. And this is second row, third column. So A23 we'll have to check. Okay. Chalo, let us redo. A22 will be second row and second column. So second row is 1 1, and second column is 5 6, 5 minus 6. Okay. So 5 into 1 will be 5, plus 6 into 1 will be minus 6. Okay. So 5 minus 6 is minus 1. I am getting it correct. Okay. So 35th wala is minus 1. Okay, let us check 2, 3. So second row and the third column. Okay, second row and the third column. So this is second row. 2, 3 will be, second row will be 1, 1. I'm sorry. This second row was a minus 1 over here. Okay, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Second row is a minus 1 and a 1. Okay, let me check again. Yeah, it was a minus 1. So I overlooked that minus 1. So it is minus 1, 1 and 6, 5 and minus 6. Okay, 5 and minus. Okay, so here it will be minus 5 and this will be minus 6. Okay, so minus 5 minus 6 is minus 11. Yeah, so minus 11 behind given is correct. So this will be minus 11. Okay, so it was my bad. This should be minus 11. Okay, now it is matching. Now even this will change. Okay, let us do that. A23, right? A23 is what, second row and the third column. So second row is minus 1, 1 and the third column is 1, 1, isn't it? So this will work out to minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 plus 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So you should get a 0 over here. Okay, now the answer behind is matching with our answer. Okay, so 35th the answer is 151 in the first row, 3 minus 11 0 in the second row, and 22 minus 20 and 7 in the third row. Okay, so that was 35th, and the last question of today's video will be 36th one, and the question is b raised to 4. B raised to 4. Now b raised to 4 is, we'll have to start from b square into b square. Okay, this is b raised to 4. So let us find out b square. B square will be, your b is 0, 5, 1 minus 2. B square will be 0, 5, 1 minus 2. You have to multiply these two. Okay. Now the answer for this will be, I'll write it quickly. This will be 0 into 0 is 0 plus 5 ones are 5, so 5. This will be 5 into 0 is 0 and 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. This will be second row and the first column. 1 into 0 is 0, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. And here I'll get second row and second column. So 5 plus 4, that is 9. So I'm getting b square as 5 minus 10 minus 2, 9. So b4 will be b square times b square. This is b square, no? So I'll take that 5 minus 10 minus 2 and a 9, and I'll multiply by another b square, 5 minus 10 minus 2 and a 9. Fine. Now this will work out. This will be again a 2 by 2 matrix. So first row and first column, right? 5 5s are 25 plus minus 10 into minus 2 is minus 10 into minus 2 is 20. Okay. So 25 plus 20 is 45. Done. Okay. Now first row and second column. So 5 tens are minus 50, 5 into minus 10 is minus 50, and this is minus 90. Minus 50 and minus 90. Minus 50 and minus 90 will be minus, and then 90 plus 50 is how much? 9, 10, 140. So this will be minus 140. Okay. Now this position will be second row, first column. So minus 2 into 5 will be minus 10 plus 9 into minus 2 will be minus 18. So minus 10 minus 18 is nothing but a minus of 28. And this place you'll have to fill up second row, second column. Minus 2 into minus 10 will be minus plus 20, and 9 nines are 81. So you have to add this 1, 1 not 1. So this is your final answer for b raised to 4. So b raised to 4, let me check 36. The answer is 45 minus 140 in the first row. In the second row it is minus 28 and a 101. Absolutely correct. Okay. So with that we come to an end of this video, that is I suppose the fourth or the fifth video, and we have completed the exercise 1 ka from question number 1 to 36 we have completed. Okay, now in the next video I'll be starting with question number 37, 38, that way. In all, in this exercise 1 you have some 50 questions, so we'll be doing this in parts but in succession, so that you are getting a proper practice and a proper understanding of this algebra of matrices, how the addition, subtraction, multiplication of this matrices takes place. Okay, so with lot of practice you will become more and more perfect. Okay, and as and when the new concepts arise, okay, we'll be solving the exercise from this book as well, and we'll be doing the concepts also. So with that as the last thing of this today's video, I would just request you to subscribe my channel if at all you like my video. Okay, and please press the like button as well, that will help me a lot. Okay, so see you, goodbye all of you, take care.